Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today's video is all about doing a review on a product I've purchased recently. There are quite a few videos out there where you get your professional anglers who do reviews, but they're working for the companies. They don't get honest opinions and reviews from just your average angler like myself. So like I say, today's video is all about doing a review. So this is a net bag that I purchased recently. It's a Preston's innovation. It's the Supera XL EVA net bag. Now it's actually a very good net bag, but there are a few issues I've got with it and I'll talk them through. So let's first of all, as you can see, it's quite a large net bag. This is actually designed for 4 keep nets and also a few accessories such as your side tray and probably your toolbar as well for your net toolbar. But it is actually quite big. Now, but on the outside, it all looks very good. I mean, it looks the part, nice colours and all that, but take that away and you've got your normal 2 handles here. Again, not very comfy. You're carrying 4 nets. This gets quite heavy and this does pull on your hands. So again, I think a little improvement there to design better straps for carrying it could be good, but it does the job. Also, you've got your normal shoulder strap. Again, you like any shoulder strap, you can extend it, make it smaller, larger, etc. But again, when you've got 4 keep nets in here and they've also got, they're wet and they're quite heavy, this is going to pull down on your shoulder. So again, I think a little bit better design on that would have been certainly an improvement. But like I say, it still does the job, and more often than not, you're going to have your trolley with you. You put it on your trolley anyway, so you may not always be carrying it, but if you do, I have found that they're both the shoulder strap and also the handles not that comfy. Now let's get into the actual inside. Hey guys, before you carry on watching the video, I just need you to do me a big favour. I need you to go back to the main channel or at the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't done so already, just press pause on the video now that you're watching and then go back to the main channel and press that big subscribe button. Also, what would be really helpful, press the notification button, the one with the little bell. That means you'll get notified next time I upload a video. So like I say guys, this would be a massive help to me. The videos are free, but the channel can only survive if you press that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Okay, so in terms of the actual bag, like I say, it can carry 4 keep nets. So I've got my 4 keep nets here, and I do always tend to carry 4 in the main. Sometimes might carry an extra one, and you can squeeze in 5. I have done it, but 4 is more comfortable. So I've got 1 net in there. You'll pop another net in. That's 3, 2, 3, and here's my 4th one. And the reason why I'm showing you this, because I actually want to show you what it looks like on the inside once you've got your nets in. So I've got 4 nets, got my landing net, and then I've also got a toolbar, net toolbar, that I would always carry, and that just goes nicely on top. Now let me just grab the camera and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, I've got my 4 nets in the bag. But if you look really closely, I think this bag is, I mean, it finishes here, right? My nets finish here. I know nets come in different sizes, but most nets are the same size I've got here. This bag, this net bag, could be made probably about 3 inches in height, probably a little bit less, 3 inches less in height. And it's the same with the width. If you look at the width, I've got loads and loads of room down the side here. Again, another inch, probably take an inch off that, and that would have been a bit more snug for my nets. And I appreciate it, like I say, you get multiple nets these days, different sizes, but if they was to take off the design of this bag, take off 3 inches from the height here and take off maybe an inch off the width, you have a slightly better bag, and I think would suit more people. But this is made, like I say, for 4 nets. I have got 5 in, but it is a squeeze. It does say you can get a side tray in, so either a side tray or another net, and you've got a little bit of room on top for some equipment as well. So yes, it works, but I do think they could have made this a smaller net bag. So we're going to zip it up. There we go. And as you can see, perfect net bag there. Just the size, I do believe that They could have made this slightly smaller. Now what I'm going to show you now is putting it in a car and how much room actually, what a difference it makes when it's in your car. Okay, so now I've actually got quite a large car. It's an SUV vehicle, large boot. So I can actually get my net bag in, no problem at all. But you look, I got a large boot and this only just goes in. Squeeze it in, and as you can see, just move the camera, it just about goes in the car. Now if you've got a smaller vehicle, this net bag is just not going to work. You're gonna just struggle to get it in. Now I've got it in mine, but yeah, like I say, I've got a large car, large boot, but that won't always be the case for most people, and you're going to have to end up having two smaller net bags where you can then put them in your car in different locations, maybe one on the front seat, whatever it might be. But as you can see, this net bag, great net bag, gets 4 keep nets in, but you've got to be mindful, will it go in your vehicle? So there we go, Preston's Innovations Supera extra large net bag, made for 4 keep nets. It's a good bag, it does the job, keeps everything nice, it keeps your car nice and dry. But like I say, the straps, a little bit tight around the shoulders and around your hands. I do believe the net bag is probably 3 inches, a little bit too tall, and probably 1 inch in width as well. But other than that, it's a great net bag. But if you need to go and buy a new one, first of all, consider how many nets you're going to carry, and secondly, will it go in your car? So there we go, guys. That's my review on a Preston's Innovations net bag. Take what you want from it. I actually do like it, but there are a few little problems with it. So if you guys like this video, please do leave a like and subscribe. Please, 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 if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. It's the only way the channel can survive. If you by subscribing, it doesn't cost you anything. All you got to do is click that subscribe button. Please do it if you don't mind. That'd be really, really helpful. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. If you've got this bag, great. Let me know what bag you've got, because who knows, I might be swapping this sometime soon. So there you go, guys. Like I say, leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, tight lines.